So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to sort from highest to lowest or to sort from Z to A here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead for demonstration purposes and just add a bunch of different random words to this document. So I'll just go ahead here and I'll type in the words apple, I will type in orange, I will type in zebra, I will type in fish, I will type in lettuce. It's another random word here. And I will search up, type in the word finance. So if you want to sort this out from these words here from the highest letter, or I guess the last letter in the alphabet, to the first letter in the alphabet, it's fairly straightforward. Just highlight the entire words right here. Go to this top bar to where it says, make sure you're on the home button, by the way, right below where it says tell me. There's A to Z. Press on that. Now, where it says paragraphs, you can go ahead and change that if you want. Where it says text, you can change that if you want as well. And where it says ascending to descending, go ahead and press on descending right here and then press on OK. And there you go. Now the words are sorted by the highest letter in the alphabet, I guess the lowest letter in the alphabet in Z, to the first one in A. This works the same thing with numbers as well. So let's type in a bunch of different numbers here. I'll search 11, 23, 44, 2, 3, 76, 32. Same thing, highlight the letters here, go to where it says tell me right below A to Z, press on descending, then press on OK. Now the numbers are in descending order. So fairly straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to sort from Z to A or to sort from highest to lowest here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.